Our next category, can we have the category on the screen? The category is Excellence in Customer-Centric Design, and the winner is...
And the winner is Guiltfree Industries Limited.
Yes, the winner is Guiltfree Industries Limited. And to receive the award, I would like to call Mr. Tarun Kumar and team. Please come on the stage. Many congratulations to Guiltfree Industry.
Hi, good evening everyone, and thanks Synnex for this award, recognizing Guiltfree for this award. Guiltfree been 5 years old company. We are working on healthy snacks sector, and we have 3 brands. One is foods, another is Ayurveda, and third is personal care. So across all these 3 brands, the packaging which we are making is much more on terms of consumer awareness in terms of health and wellness. All the goodness of product has been very well displayed on packaging. And thanks Synnex for recognizing it. Thank you. Keep healthy.
Thank you so much. Many congratulations to Guiltfree Industries Limited.